Hey, what's up guys? I was just exploring the Figma Make and I have created this awesome audio editor just in Figma Make with one simple prompt, and I'm going to show it to you how to create this or anything else which you want to create in Figma Make. So you can see when I play the audio, you can see I have created a multi-track audio editor and completely inside Figma Make without writing a single line of code. So let's go to the Figma Make. Just go to the home screen where we create the new files, and just instead of design file, just click on the Make so that you create a new Figma Make file. And now you can let Figma know whatever you want to create so that Figma will create the entire application from scratch for you. May it be a design, may it be an end-to-end code or end-to-end application. If you have already created any designs, you can paste those frames here for the design reference, but I decided let Figma do, and let's see what are the capabilities it has. So now here we have to define our idea. So what exactly we have to create? Now we can create for example weather application, maybe where we can show the weather of the selected city or weather of any city where user logs in, or we can even get the location of the user, and we can show the weather for the user to that current location. So, or anything else. If you have any other idea, just type in the idea here and you can create the end-to-end application. Or just to start with, you can just take something from here as well, like the data dashboard or a gradient gallery or a sign up flow. So I would probably just create something which is fun, simple and cool thing, maybe a game. Okay, so let's create probably a chess game. Hey, I want to create a web-based chess game. Can you create it for me? And just hit send and let it think, let it do everything. And while it is thinking, while it is doing its all reasoning and all those things, you just pause the video and subscribe to the video, and just write down your thoughts in the comments what you would want to try with Figma Make. While it is still in the beta mode, you can just go ahead and use it, and just let me know what are the ideas which you want to build using Figma Make, and let me know if Figma Make has created them as you were expecting. And just we are testing this out, and I was shocked with the result which it created for the audio editor. It created end-to-end audio editor application just with a simple prompt as which we have given here, and now it is creating a interactive chessboard. Let's see let's see if it creates or not. Well, while it is creating the gameplay, or while it is writing the entire code for us, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon as well. And if you would love to support the channel, you can support us with super thanks just below the video, which gives us a little bit extra monetary benefit to keep creating these awesome tutorials for you guys. And I'll just pause this while it generates the end-to-end application, and I'll just oh, okay, it has created it. That's it. You can see you can see the white pieces and the black pieces, everything is there. It has also given the names as any chessboard has, like the squares from A to H and 1 to 8. That is awesome, guys. And you can create a new game. It says white's turn. Okay, and how to play it also says click on a piece to select it. Okay, let's just click it. Oh, that's awesome. It is also giving us where this piece can go. And now it's black's turn. No, okay. It is not as per my expectation, but it is much better. I was expecting that we create one player against computer, but yeah, my bad. I haven't let the Figma know that it should be an AI opponent as well. And okay, I haven't read what it is saying here. Here are some enhancements you could consider. Add AI opponent, implement a chase engine with different difficulty levels. Okay, great. Online multiplayer, add real-time multiplayer. Oh, great. It is also suggesting me what could be the enhancements in this game, and you might be seeing this is not just the preview. Here you can see the entire code as well, and you can download this entire code base which is created in the React. You can host it in any of your hosting platforms which support React hosting, or you can just download this end-to-end zip file of this code, edit it manually if you want to make any changes, or else you can just let Figma know, okay, I want to make these changes, and create the end-to-end application in the Figma Make, download the code, publish it on your site, and probably start earning the money. But yeah, but don't forget to attribute, this has been created using Figma Make, or what are the libraries which you have used to create this. So make sure you follow all the legal things, before you publish in this Figma Make application on your site or anywhere. And just to download this code, you can just click here on this button where you can see download code, and this creates a zip file. You can choose where you want to download this. I don't want to download it as of now, but yeah, I would do it later with making some changes. And if I ever publish this game, I'll pin it in the comment box below the video. Just come back after some time, probably a couple of weeks or couple of days, or a couple of months maybe, but whenever I publish this, I'll put it in my all videos where you can find it, and you can play this game. Okay, yeah, that's it. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.